Let's start at the very beginning. Rashid is a place to start. When we sing, we begin with do, re, mi. When we read, we begin with AlBet, AlBet. The first three letters just happen to be AlBet, AlBet, dal, he, was on. An ox, a big strong ox, bet, a house where we can live. Dom, a beast that travels far. Dal, the door we enter in. Hey, a window to reveal. The nail that makes us one. Don, an axe to chop the wood. Everything y'all made is good. When you learn y'all's AlBet, it's Yahuah that you get. A fence to keep us safe, tent and markets like a seal. You're a hand that likes to work, or lines that we can read. Love, a staff to show who's boss. Ma is water in a womb. Noon, a fish that jumps real high. It's easy when its yolk is light. When you learn y'all's AlBet, it's Yahuah that you get. Thin to branches and divine, iron we see and understand. Hey, our mouth to sing and pray, sound the hook of righteousness. Kuf, the place behind our head. Resh, exalted King of Kings. Sheen, like teeth made out of fire. And Tau is the covenant sign. When you learn y'all's AlBet, it's Yahuah that you get.
Abagada hawaza chapaya kalama nasa ai patsakwa rashata.
Shamawamaha avahabaha.